I got my new EGR valve, original part, AC Delco. Don't be cheap with parts. The EGR valve replacement on this car is pretty easy. Just remove this plastic cover, remove these clips, and the EGR is located right here. So here's the EGR valve right here. It's held by two bolts. Let's remove this hose right here so it's not in the way. Use a ratcheting wrench. This is the best invention since sliced bread. What I fear is that the replacement, even though it came in an AC Delco box, the actual part doesn't say GM on it, so I suspect it is not an original part. It's probably somebody just put a cheap Chinese EGR valve inside of a AC Delco box. But you know, hey, it's a new part, so let's see if it works. And here's an easy way to test the EGR valve. This is a new one. If you press on this, and if you put your finger here where the vacuum line goes, if you release it, it shouldn't go back up. Once you release the vacuum, it goes back up. Now the old one, let me show you. If you press down, if you put your finger where the vacuum line is, it does not hold. It does not hold at all, so it's bad. Well, let's see if it runs. Well, everything works, so no lights, it runs smoothly. I'll reattach the cover and we're done. Well, fellas, that's it for today. I managed to change this EGR valve. It was not a difficult job. The EGR valve is very easy to access on these cars. Like I said before, I suspect that this was not an original part, even though it's in an AC Delco box. You know, they can fake anything in China, so you know, soon they're gonna be faking themselves. So I think it's not an original part, but you know, it works fine. The car is running beautifully. There's no issues whatsoever. But I'll drive it a little bit, see what it does. But the old EGR valve was definitely bad, so I changed that, so it's good to go. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share. Thank you for watching. Bye.